Tonight is the culmination of a lot of our students in the film production program and their thesis films, where they get to really showcase what they've been working towards in their entire academic careers here at Toronto Film School. What we try to do with these is make sure that everyone knows that it takes a village and a community to really accomplish what we see here up on screen. So for them to be able to share that in a communal experience, which is so important to our industry, I think they got that tonight, and we continue to do that every term at the end of their 6 terms.
It's a special feeling. I don't really process it right now, but I'm pretty happy with what I did. I want to thank Emilia again, and I couldn't be more grateful for everything that happened right now.
Just want to give a special shout out to the cast and crew who made it all happen.
And just a special shout out to Bruno, Amelia, Michelangelo for letting me have the opportunity to share and stand among such great people.
Finishing films is super difficult, and I think even to this day, some of us are guilty for not finishing our projects or taking a minute. So the fact that you managed to do it, the fact that it's all ready, posted, colored, and good to go tonight is massive. I'm proud of all of you, and congratulations.